Hey guys, welcome to my beautiful channel, Grow with eLearn. In previous lecture we had learnt about Introduction of HTML. What is HTML? Explanation of its element and some example code. This is my second video about HTML. Now, in today's lecture we will learn about some HTML basics like HTML documents, the G.type declaration, HTML headings, HTML paragraphs, HTML links, HTML images. Don't worry if you don't know anything about this. I will teach you with some example code. I will write a sample code on each topic. Please don't skip the video, maybe the video can bit longer, but every second of the video is useful. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, we will learn about HTML documents, starting the lecture with HTML document. Let's see about HTML document. HTML document is a text document saved with the extension .html that contains texts and some tags written between which give the instructions needed to configure the web page. Okay guys, now I am going to write a sample code while I will explain the code. I will write a code. All HTML documents must start with a document type declaration, .type HTML. The HTML document itself begins with HTML and ends with /HTML. The visible part of the HTML document is between body and /body. Okay, now we will move on to our next topic, which is the .type declaration. The .type declaration represents the document type and helps browsers to display web pages correctly. It must only appear once, at the top of the page, before any HTML tags. The .type declaration is not case sensitive. Now next topic is HTML headings. HTML headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading. H6 defines the least important heading. Now I will write a code to how to write a code to display heading in HTML page. This is the code. Here in this code H1 defines the most important heading. H2 defines little bit less important heading than H1, H3 defines little bit less important heading than H2, H4 defines little bit less important heading than H3, H5 defines little bit less important heading than H4 and H6 defines the least important heading. Now we will discuss about HTML paragraphs. HTML paragraphs are defined with the p tag. This is a sample code of paragraph. Now we will discuss about HTML links. HTML links are defined with a tag. The link's destination is specified in the href attribute. Attributes are used to provide additional information about HTML elements. You will learn more about attributes in a later chapter. Note, the file link which is given by you in the href attribute, the file should be saved in the same folder where the HTML project file is saved, as I shown in the video. Now our next topic is HTML images. HTML images are defined with the img tag. The source file src, alternative text alt, width, and height are provided as attributes. Now I will teach you how to view HTML source. Have you ever seen a web page and wondered, hey, how did they do that? View HTML source code. Right-click in an HTML page and select View Page Source in Chrome or View Source in Edge, or similar in other browsers. This will open a window containing the HTML source code of the page. Next topic is Inspect an HTML element. Right-click on an element or a blank area, and choose Inspect or Inspect Element to see what elements are made up of. You will see both the HTML and the CSS. You can also edit the HTML or CSS on the fly in the Elements or Styles panel that opens. Here we had come to end of the lecture. Hope you all enjoyed and learned more about HTML. We will meet in another lecture. And don't miss to watch my upcoming lectures, like the video and comment the doubt and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. Bye. Thanks for watching.